Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus the Infinix Zero X Pro. And the Infinix Zero X Pro is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 processor with 8 GB of RAM, while the Realme GT Master Edition is powered by Snapdragon 778G 5G processor with 8 GB of RAM. Yes, and the Realme GT Master Edition is a much expensive phone as compared to the Zero X Pro. How is the best phone of the Infinix as of now is stacked up against the Realme GT Master Edition? Also again, this video is made for fun. On the back we have triple cameras on both phones. We have 108 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, while on the Realme we have 64 megapixel main camera, and the back it is made up of glass of the Infinix, while on the Realme GT Master Edition in the grey color we have a leather type finish on the back. Another color is kiwi with glass back. On the bottom we also have headphone jack on both phones. We have dual speakers on the Infinix versus a single speaker on the Realme GT Master Edition. In this video I'm going to show you how much a difference between the MediaTek Helio G95 inside the Infinix versus the Snapdragon 778G processor inside the Realme GT Master Edition. So now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And the logo is came up first on the Infinix as compared to the Realme GT Master Edition, and I also receiving the new XOS, which is a version 10 on the Infinix, while on the Realme we have Realme UI, which is a version 2.0 latest software on the Infinix, also which is based on Android 11, but still Realme GT Master Edition more faster when it comes to booting up. And the Zero X Pro, it is also right behind there, about 1 or 2 second difference between these two devices when it comes to booting up. And guys, now let's talk about the displays between these two devices. On the Realme GT we have 6.4 inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, while on the Infinix we have 6.6 inch Full HD AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Both phones also has a punch hole just on the center on the Infinix as compared to on the left hand side on the Realme GT. Before this update and the 120Hz, it's really bad on the Infinix. I would say that after the update and the 120Hz, it feels it's like a 120Hz refresh rate phone. Everything's close up in the background, no application is running in the background. Now let's open phone dialer. That is exactly the same on both phones. Next on the list is the settings, a little more faster on the Realme GT. Now let's go to the display, and you can see we have 120Hz refresh rate on both phones. We also have auto option. We also have always on display on both phones. All those things it is available on this phone, and you can see 120Hz. Now let's open Amazon Shopping. Again we have a MediaTek Helio G95, a little more faster on the Realme GT, not a huge difference. Now let's see the scrolling. Yes, we have 120Hz also on the Infinix before this update, and the 120Hz on the Infinix, it is really bad on this phone. Now let's check out some more application. Now let's see Candy Crush Saga. Now let's see that how much a difference between a Snapdragon 778G versus a MediaTek Helio G95. Huge faster on the Realme GT. Also we had dual speakers on the Infinix, which looks like this with max volume. Here is the Realme GT Master Edition with a single speaker, which has a more bass as compared to the Infinix. Let's see Instagram, faster on the Realme. Now let's open Pinout. Pinout faster on the Realme GT as compared to the Infinix Zero X Pro. Infinix, it is also right behind there. Now let's open Snapchat, faster on the Realme. Now let's open Spotify, faster on the Realme. Let's see Subway Surfer. Subway Surfer should be more faster on the Realme GT. Yes, it is more faster there. And the Infinix also right behind there, about 1 or 2 second difference there. Now let's open the Temple Run 2 on both phones. Temple Run 2 faster on the Realme GT Master Edition. Faster on the Realme GT as compared to the Infinix Zero X Pro, about 1 or 2 second difference there. Now let's opening up the Twitter, and Twitter exactly the same. Now let's open the PUBG Mobile. No, I did not enable the gaming mode on both phones. In Realme faster there again by a huge margin. while the Infinix is taking a lot of time, and you can see in the heavy games and the difference is more as compared to before. Now let's open Zedge. Faster on the Realme GT as compared to the Infinix Zero X Pro. Now let's see the scrolling. That is feels exactly the same on both phones. We have 120 Hz, no issue whatsoever. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one. Faster on the Realme GT as compared to the Infinix Zero X Pro. Okay guys, now let's see internet browser speed. I am seeing default Google Chrome on both phones. Now let's open wikipedia.org. Same Wi-Fi network, faster on the Realme GT. Now let's see the scrolling. That is fast. It is very smooth on both phones. We have 120 Hz. Now let's open English, and also exactly the same, very smooth, no issue whatsoever. And next on the list is the gsmarina.com. Again we have same Wi-Fi network and Realme GT Master Edition, little more faster there, not a huge difference. So now let's see the scrolling. That is fixed exactly the same again, 120 Hz, and you can see very smooth. Now let's see RAM management on both phones. We have 8 GB of RAM. Both phones also has a external RAM feature. Now let's see that who is performed good in the RAM management. Now let's see phone dialer, no refresh. Now let's open settings, same result. Amazon shopping, it is refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, refresh only on the Realme. Instagram, that is not refresh. Let's see pin out refresh on the Realme. Now let's see Snapchat, no refresh. Now let's see Spotify, refresh. Let's see Subway Surfer, refresh. Now let's see Temperament 2, refresh. So RAM management, it is excellent on the Infinix after this new update on the Infinix. Now let's opening up the Twitter, no refresh. Let's see PUBG Mobile, no refresh. Now let's open Zedge, that is seems like in-app refresh. Last we're back to the internet browser, that is again refresh on the Realme GT. And guys, what I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, as you can see that, and the Realme GT Master Edition is performed much faster as compared to the Infinix Zero X Pro. Only in the game app loading time, I would say that in system-based application and both phones is performed very similar in terms of the RAM wise, and the Infinix is killing the Realme GT Master Edition in the RAM management. Not a single refresh on the Infinix Zero X Pro. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus the Infinix Zero X Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.